Okay, we've come to the woods to get away from... What are we get away from? Oh,
everything.
Everybody's quite stressed at
Oh,
work,
let's say it
but
first,
we're not
because
stressed.
it's-
No bad words. So we've come here to do a bit of cooking, lasagna. Jane's been foraging some mushrooms. I'll show you all that. So I thought we'd bring you along so you can just have a chill time with us while I do a bit of
Not very chill, it's a bit bumpy.
bit of cooking and a bit of just chill time. All right, so we'll stop in a minute, park up, and we'll catch you at the cabin. Woo. Yeah. Look at that, beautiful. Look at it, half goes. Log burner's amazing. Right, that's it. Next on to the mushrooms. I think when we come to the weekend, we might be doing a camo on this. I enjoyed that. There we go. Trees are turning. Never mind. Gives them a rest, doesn't it? Okay. Okay, trim the bombs. Nice and clean. No maggots or nothing, is there?
No, perfect.
These are beautiful birch billets.
Picked about an hour ago.
Yep. Look at these beauts. Oh. Look at that. Beautiful. I'm going to fry these up separate. Oh. Can you see that okay? It's getting a bit dusk now. Not too sure, just peel them back. And then any bits left over, don't throw them in. Throw them in the field, throw them wherever you're going to go, because they'll respore. Nothing wrong, there's nothing in that, it's where a bit of soil's got in. Beautiful. Okay, I'll carry on with this. I know it's cheating, but come straight from work. Just got up on the top, just let it cook. Look at that, doesn't take long to fire up. Okay, come back to that in a bit. Olive oil. Let that warm up. Professional. I'm going to pop in a little bit of Himalayan salt. Like this. You ready? How do you do it? You can't miss really, can you? A little bit of Himalayan salt. That does look right. A little bit of... It's going to go all over my armpit, right? A little bit of... No, it's not going to work. Oh, that's the wrong stuff. That's powdered cheese. That's why it didn't go down. A little bit of garlic granules. It's going everywhere. Not too much. Don't want to spoil the taste of the mushrooms. Give them a bit of a raz. Stuck together there, come on. A little bit more olive oil, I think. Getting a bit dry. I'll tell you what, you want to put the garlic with it because it's amazing smell. Can I tell you how good the smell was? Amazing. Okay, let's cut the chase and back to the lasagna. Multitasking. Can't hear anything cooking just yet, that's fine. Back outside. It's getting quite dark now. Got some greens to go on as well. I'll do that in a second, just let them sweat down a bit more, and then I'll put some greens on, and then we'll crack on with, we'll see how long that lasagna takes. Oh, I think these are a bit tough. Not bad. What's that one like? Alright. A few bits in. Yeah, okay. Stick them in. Do you know what goes good with, sorry, I'm eating. Himalayan salt. What we'll do now. Oh, come on, look at that. Amazing. Okay. Put that on. And then let them heat up a bit. Right, so it's 15 degrees in the cabin with the door open, so I'll leave that out here so that does. Put the lid on that. Let that cook away. I'm going to sample. Yeah, I might sample one of these mushrooms. Crispy one, crispy one. Oh, no, it's not crispy. That one. Honestly. Oh, wow. Especially with a hint of garlic. Amazing. I'm going to become a chef, I think. Sweet chestnuts. Edible. So we're going to put them on here. And I'm going to roast them. These are just coming. They're not... They usually get bigger than that. They will get bigger than that. Bit of a flash. There you go. Okay, that's warming up. I'll give the oven a bit of a stoke. Just partially died down. Still sort of red embers in there. All right. Veg steam. You can see that I've not got my flash on because my battery's going down. But let's put that on for a little bit. We are. Boom. Look at that. You see the mushrooms, Jane? They dwindle down a bit, don't they? Dwindle down a bit, should I say? Not windle, dwindle.
Cook them.
Yeah, they're not full. They're cooked.
Mm.
A little bit more though, and we should be all right.
Know the sound of pouring?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Pass to the cup.
Lovely sound. And this shouldn't be far off now. Yep, that's not far off now. I'll put the mushrooms back on, check the lasagna. Beautiful. It's still comfortable out here, it's 15. So, yeah, it's about right. It's quite mild, isn't it, Jane? I've only got my jumper on, so we're lucky. Just do a bit of a swap. Then back on. Ooh, yep. That's doing it. And chestnuts roasting. No, it's too early for that. But they're roasting away. I'll let you know what they taste like. They're yummy. I watched someone the other day. We were foraging, and they boiled them, and then you set them lovely soft. I'm going to try that this year. Okay, so we're not far away. Is there any more of these left, Jane? Where you got these from? Well, you've dried a load, haven't you?
Yeah.
You can actually dry them and use. You can dry them and use them as thickener. So one quick way of heating the plates up is to put your veggie juice, not all of it, but enough that will warm the plates up.
Do you want some more for gravy?
Nah, no, I'm fine. No, the lasagna is fine, isn't it?
Smells nice.
Yeah. There we go. So that's one way of heating them up. Mushrooms on, and I'll bring the lasagna out. Swill.
You can't get a bit of tea in the woods.
I'm not going to get them all out in one, I know that for a fact. So if I do them in quarters.
I don't mind going from the tin.
Seriously? Yeah. Well, that's actually cooked well, because if you look at the bottom, there's only a little bit of burnt look on the bottom. See it?
Do that again. We don't usually have ready meals.
No.
It's been a hard day. No.
Yeah. Rubbish there.
Rubbish these?
Yep. Mushrooms?
Just a few, please.
All right. Fair win for you.
Good. You go. Done.
Done. I'll get a fork. Yeah?
Crispy.
Mm-mm.
Birch palette.
Oh. Try one, Jane.
I will do.
Okay.
Fantastic.
Yeah. You want to try and do this in the garden if you can, because it's really beautiful and relaxing. Before we sign off, if you'd like to like and subscribe, I think, not too sure, that would be great. Thumbs up makes a massive difference to the video. And then we're going to try these chestnuts just before we sign off. I'll let you know what they taste like. So I'll be there back with you in about 2 minutes after I finish this beautiful meal.
What about the, did you bring the cheese parmesan? Don't need it, but you know.
I'm not going to touch them yet, they're a bit hot. Make sure there's no creepy crawlies in me drink. Is there any in there? No. Cool. Just going to pop the flash off. Pretty dark out here. We've got the cooker going to clean the pots and pans. We've got the lights on the shed. It's ready for the Christmas for the grandkids. They love that. It goes around the side as well, doesn't it? There you go. There we go. Right, let's give it a clean. Clean the pans and then we're making our way back home. I think I overcooked them, look. Oh, not bad. Just, oh, there you go. Give that a sample. Haha. Not quite ready yet. Usually get a bit of more of a kick with it than that. Yeah, that one. That's a beauty. That tastes like Christmas. Other people like chestnuts, do you? Right. I'm overdid him, I think, but well, there we go. Thank you again if you watched the video. If you just give it a thumbs up, that would be absolutely amazing, and I really would appreciate it. Take care, and that's a good one. Catch you in the next video. All the best.